Jet Environmental has successfully designed and implemented the most energy-efficient, low-carbon solution to control temperature in the country's first carbon-neutral serviced office, TS2 in Solihull. Here's Gary Hardiman.
We set Jet the goal of designing a system for TS2 that would deliver energy savings in excess of 50% compared to a traditional HVAC system.
Jet's design brief was to minimise the energy required for heating and cooling the building. With the premises at the planning stage, it was possible to have a greater influence on the design conditions and system configuration. At the heart of the design is a variable volume fresh air system, designed to supply twice the normal design requirement. The system volume is regulated based on temperature requirement and occupancy levels. Under normal circumstances, the fresh air volume will be controlled to meet the occupancy levels. However, when cooling is required, the controls will boost the fresh air volume if external temperatures permit. From historic temperature records, even in peak years, the average daily external temperature is below the internal design requirement. For large parts of the day, free cooling is available from the external conditions. This is particularly true during the night. This nighttime purge has the effect of pre-cooling the structure to offset or delay heat gains during the following day's occupancy. The system also utilises a proportion of recirculation air when full fresh air is not appropriate and redistribution of energy may be of benefit. Use of variable speed drives to the supply and extract systems ensures significant savings on fan energy for the majority of the time when the systems will be running on part load. With normal systems, fixed temperature design criteria are used for both summer and winter. In reality, the human body will adjust to higher summer ambient conditions, and applying excessively low criteria can create health issues. The control system has been configured to automatically vary the conditions in winter and summer. In winter, the comfort temperature is expected to be achieved largely on the basis of internal gains to the space. In summer, the design conditions increase accordingly, with the majority of the cooling demand being met by mechanical ambient ventilation. This approach of free cooling in summer and heat recovery in winter means significantly lower energy bills and lower CO2 emissions. TS2 is divided over 4 floors, with a series of subdivided offices varying from single occupancy to open plan. Each zone is treated with a dedicated air handling unit incorporating heating and cooling coils. A series of terminal outlets are distributed around the floor void to the offices to allow local temperature adjustment. The zone units monitor the temperature at each of the outlet terminals. The supply air discharge from the local air handling units is based upon the average condition within the zone. The fresh air supply is introduced into the return air path of the zone unit, thereby ensuring that when free cooling is available, this will take priority over secondary mechanical cooling. Temperature control in the server room is vital to ensure optimal operating conditions and to protect the investment in IT systems. For TS2, a ducted system has been installed to maximise the availability of free cooling. The combination of variable airflow and recirculation allows the system to provide close temperature control all the time. The fresh air flow rate is then boosted to utilise free cooling when available. Only when conditions are not suitable will the system revert to mechanical cooling to meet demand. The energy saving is significant. The annual carbon savings have been calculated as 23 tonnes for the office air conditioning, 14 tonnes for the server room AC, and 2 tonnes for the office lighting. Inclusion of energy and hours run meters linked through the BMS allows energy consumption to be validated against targets. The solution has proved to be a great success. A more comfortable, healthy environment for its occupants without annoying drafts. The Jet system is exceeding the energy-saving target set by Candlelight Property, delivering savings in excess of 70%. To find out more about how the Jet environmental solution can be built into your building, Contact us or visit the website.